Right, hello, welcome back. I'm the Game Beaver, and this is another episode of Jurassic World, the Lego game. And we've just come back from the RV being destroyed. So yeah, let's find out where we need to go. Guessing it's this way. I think the scene next is the camping, isn't it? Camping. The T-Rex enters the camp at night. We all scream and die. It's beautiful. Oh. Haha! Is that Dieter? Is that Dieter Stark? Aw, poor Triceratops. What's the matter, buddy? I'm sure Sarah can figure it out. Oh yes, blue! Beautiful. Well, let me get it! Oh. Oh, I need to be this guy, whoever this is. Ronald Tembo. Oh my god, Roland Tembo. Have you noticed, like, the hunter from Jurassic Park's dead, Roland Tembo's dead, like the actors. It's so sad. I'm hoping the same doesn't happen to Chris Pratt. Hey! What are you doing? What is that? A banana. That must be for the Triceratops. Oh, yes! So we need to heal the Triceratops in order to pass. So let's play a little bit of Roland. I'm guessing he plays the same as Ronald Reagan. Roland. Can he scare them? Oh. It must be, this guy. No, I just need my blubbing. No! That one. Him. He must be able to help. No? Can no one get through? Well, I guess we're not saving you this time, whoever you are. Oh, you're the guy who gets eaten at the very end of the movie. He's the one that tries to get in the phone booth and dies. I think he has a funny name in the credits. Like, there's a whole story about it. I can't remember. So let's try to find this banana. This banana. What is this? Damn it! How about this? This must make something. Is it cars? It's always cars. What a dinosaur! Yeah! Yeah, I'm gonna be Roland. I'm gonna drive. And it will be fantastic! Right, let's find the other things. Ooh, there's lots of poo? Is it poo? Oh, that's not poo. This thing might be. Nope, nope, just dirt. Let's go. No, Kelly could drive. Of course Kelly could drive. Nope, we want Roland apparently. Roland could drive. Anything else here? Oh, we need Nick. Nick, where are you? Oh my god! What are you? Just a rogue person? What are you beating me up for? Who is he? Peter Ludlow? 120,000? No! I'm gonna kill him! He beat me up! What a douche. No, I don't want to buy him. Spend money after he's trying to kill me. God, he nuts? Get it? Nuts? Because of nuts. Because it's like studs. Okay, I'll stop. Oh, well, I can so see everything in here. Oh, there's an ice cream. Beautiful. Right, we just need a mushroom now. Right, where would this mushroom be? Wouldn't be in the bones, would it? That would be weird. Oh, we need him to, like, we need Dinosaur Dave over here. Oh, he's gonna make it some sort of trampoline. Ah, and then it got run over. The car finally hit me. Okay. Whatever this is, it's a seesaw. Let's do it. Oh, here it is. This not it? Yeah. I don't know, I can't see this having much replayability value. Apart from, oh, I'm playing as Eddie Sattler in, whatchamacallit, in The Lost World or something. Like, I can't see anything else being a big issue. Da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm just gonna go around with gay abandon. Kill everything!
Help me! These little pests looks a lot bigger close up.
Can the Triceratops kill it?
That idiot Burke said they weren't dangerous.
He's stuck. Okay. Well, we can't help him because we need Alan Grant. So we're gonna have to get Nick? Yeah, Nick. Free the way. Come on, we got the waterfall, we got the T-Rex chasing. Got lots of stuff to do. No! No, I slipped! There's a slippy log! Would you? That looked badass. What's over here?
Just isn't a proper campfire without s'mores.
I agree.
Go for one right about now.
Die! Die! Oh, okay. Is he okay with just... Okay, he's on our side now. Then why did the other guy attack me? That makes no sense. Cutscene.
Want to learn something new, huh?
Ah, you see, there's the waterfall that was in the original Jurassic Park novel. And even that one had the T-Rex come in. And the T-Rex got sedated, ended up biting, like, almost its own tongue off. It was awesome. Such a cool scene.
In there. About a mile and a half from the base of these cliffs. We'll let them sleep. One more hour.
Oh no. What is that?
Don't run!
That was a dude that screams as well. Oh my god, there's so many characters that are captured. Ah, here we go. Well, all of you guys are dead. And this is annoying because I don't know where the nice blue ones are gonna be. Where's the blues? Okay, okay, okay. No, that was a blue! I didn't jump for it! Jump! Yes! Okay, okay, I think I got the hang of this. I know where the blues are. No, I got hurt! Because somebody ran away! They're all dying. Oh dear. Not the teddy bear, no! Why'd it go slow-mo? Oh my god, everybody's dying! Oh no! Jump! Okay, I can do this! I've trained for this! I think. Yes! Yeah! We did it! Into the waterfall! Well, might as well kill the snake guy.
Coming back! Ooh.
Oh, the long grass. This was such an awesome scene as well. Don't run into the long grass, you fools! Are they all after hot dogs? Do you want to play football? What?
Hey!
What?
Look at this. I think it's RJ's back.
Okay. Well, let's go and get pounced on more raptors that want to play soccer.
I've made a dreadful miscalculation. Stay out of the long grass.
I'll save you, buddy!
Thank you. I thought my goose was cooked.
Your goose was almost cooked, my friend.
Helicopters! Last time, they're called velociraptors.
Oh, I couldn't save them! No! Pooh! Yay! Oh, well, we can make something from all this, surely, right? I mean, why else would we make all that? Is that a lawnmower? That is a lawnmower. Well, I guess it makes sense. That raptor's huge. Oh, we could easily take this on. Easy peasy. What is this? How do I get to it? I need to get to it. There must be a way around then. Oh, I see. Okay, so you need Alan Grant to dig it. Damn it! Puts everything so close. And somebody must have compies. Somebody must be able to scare away compies. I don't know who. Can I with the flare? Nope, nope. Can't do that. Ah! Don't do this! That's scary! Did not expect that. So this sort of same thing from Jurassic Park. Yeah! Mushrooms! Not gonna take one for later? I'm sure there'll be plenty of sick dinosaurs. Okay. Nick, where are you? Good. Blue. What was that? There's a raptor on top. Oh god! Run, runsies! Oh, Dilophosaurs! Oh my god! What are you doing here? Oh, heart! Yes, I need it! Beautiful. Oh god, there's another one!
That's not funny.
Okay, Kelly can do some crazy gymnastics. No? Can she not? Circle. Oh, she can scream as well. Okay. Interesting. What does it say? Agile characters can slide under some pink and blue agile objects by pressing X while running towards them. Beautiful. Kill! Oh, so can Sarah. Okay. Or at least Sarah got past as well. I got so many parts. Everybody's a master builder. Oh god! Die! Heart! Yes. Circle and turn the wheel. Awesome. Like, there's still mice on this island. Surely they'd all be dead. Or at least there'd be a lot less of them. Or would they? Now that I come to think about it, I don't know.
Is anyone there? I think I'm lost. Oh,
Nick, help!
I can see someone's backpack through the grass. Oh no. The backpacks attached to their arms.
Yeah, and that sound effect, that blip, blip, that's from Lost World Jurassic Park as well. The game. Can you water that? No, need to be at least satellite to water plants because there she's a paleobotanist, that's it. Take a picture!
Oh, it's tickling me. No.
Aw, it's all friendly!
No, not the sides. I thought it was going to be eaten. Like some kind of pie. Possibly chicken. Go into the long grass. This was the worst idea ever.
You're telling me my hay fever is acting up a storm.
I like how they've put a lot of effort into this one, actually. Okay, gotta be quiet so they don't see us. Come on, raptors are smart. They've seen us. Don't mind me, just gonna bury my head in some poo. Do we need distraction or are we gonna make something? Yeah, we're gonna make something. Let's go for it. Ooh! Ice cream truck! We saved them! Yay!
Wow, I owe you my life. Can I give you $10 instead?
Well, I would take $10. Oh god! This is not $10! This is not worth $10. Oh! Yeah, coins! Raptors aren't so tough. We need Ellie to scream. I mean, Kelly. Kelly! Kelly! We need you to scream. Break the glass of whatever this is. Oh god! Punch the little officer on the face. Awesome. Scream! That wasn't... Obviously that wasn't hard enough, Kelly. You need to scream louder. Oh my god, you're terrible at this. Can you not scream at all? Like, you should be breaking that glass. There we go. Easy. What is that? It's a burger! I just realized it's a burger! Oh my god, I didn't even notice. Okay. Is that it? Can we do anything else here? I'm just gonna collect as many nuts as possible. I mean studs. Don't kill me! It's my first Lego game. Be nice. So we go this way? Did we? Oh! Our poor ice cream truck. Oh god, no! Get him, lawnmower! Get him! No! Save him! Save him! Somebody take a picture! Ah! No. He took his cap. Ah, we got the amber piece. Awesome. Whee!
They said the communication center is in the operations building. So I'll get in there and I'll send the radio call, all right? I'll see you there.
What's your...
Every second counts. Anyone who thinks they can keep up, welcome to try.
Did we do it? Yeah, we did it! The Hunted. Level complete. So we got the amber, and I think when you get an amber, you unlock a dinosaur. Am I right? I think so. So what kind of dinosaur would we have unlocked? Hopefully Pachycephalosaurus. Oh, I didn't do it! Ah! Damn. Got one. God, this game, you just run through this game the first time and you can't expect to get anything. You just can't. InGen mechanic. Oh, my best character ever is an InGen mechanic. You unlock all these characters, but you have to buy them all. And my god, you've got to play this for so long. So many characters. Hunter Harasser. Well, what a glorious name. What do we get? Yes! Parasaurolophus! Oh my god! Yes, I could use it. Oh, brilliant. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Beautiful. So we'll continue this story next time. If you like this video, leave a like, and until then, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.